Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google has rolled out their weekly security updates for Google Chrome for the stable channel for desktop, which they made available on the 17th of October, which was late yesterday again in my part of the world. And as mentioned previously, Google is rolling out weekly security updates now for Chrome, where previously they used to roll out bi-weekly security updates. And because we are dealing with security issues, it's always good to double check your browser's up to date by heading to your main menu, Help, About Google Chrome, and this will force the update if it hasn't done so already. Now, the latest version in build 118.0.5993, and that point release should either be 88 or 89, depending if you are running Mac, Linux, or Windows. So either or with version 118 means your browser is patched with this week's security fix. Now, this update includes only one security fix. That's it, one security fix. But from the release notes, Google doesn't give us any information regarding what the security update is actually fixing. So we don't know if it's exploited in the wild, and we don't know if it's a critical severity, high severity, medium, low. They don't give us any information, but nonetheless, just double check your browser's up to date, because it is your first line of defense, and it doesn't take very long. It takes a couple of seconds and is a worthwhile process at the end of the day. So this is a bit of a strange update, but no information available. If anything does become available, or they do update the release notes, then I'll obviously post and let you guys know. And if you are running other Chromium-based web browsers, which is normal, like Brave, Edge, Vivaldi, Opera, and so on, you can also expect more or less the same security fix to start rolling out throughout the course of the next couple of days to those Chromium-based web browsers, which is normal after Google Chrome gets its security update on a weekly basis now. So, as mentioned, 118.0.5993, 88 or 89. This week's security update for Google Chrome for desktop is now available. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.